Hi, welcome to Between Techie. In this video, we are going to learn about import module in Python. Let's get started. Import is a keyword which is used to import modules or inbuilt libraries. With the help of import, we can access all the members or only specific member. So syntax is module name dot function. Let's see some examples. So here we are in demo1.py page and I'm going to create another page, that is demo2.py. So these are two files. All right. So let's see. Suppose in demo1.py I'll define some methods def disp. Here I'll print some message, print suppose I'll write between techie and the slogan is tech made easy. All right. So next, suppose I'll remove it. Just a second. Suppose I'll give only between techie here. I'll create another method which is def disp2 and here I'll mention disp1. Okay. So here I can print some another message which is nothing but tech made easy. All right. So here I have created two methods in demo1.py. Okay. In demo2.py I am going to import demo1.py and I am going to print whatever the statements are there in the two different methods. All right. So here I can mention import demo1 okay, and now I can use demo1 dot disp1. All right. Also I can use demo1 dot disp2 method. Let's execute this code. You can see the output is between techie hyphen tech made easy. So here you can see I have used import method. Okay. So I have imported demo1 in demo2 page or demo2 file. Here I can use the method to display whatever the properties or data members we have. All right. So here you can note down one more thing. If you want to do the method, do the import method, if you want to use, so both the files should be in same directory or folder or package. Okay. So if I have used my import for one file to another file, that means I have already created these two in the same directory, or you can say same folder, or you can say same package. Then only import will be works. All right. So here I'm going to show you another thing which is alias. Okay. So let me just copy it, or else I'll give you an example with alias. Okay, so let me mention using alias. Alias means we can give some other name, or you can say some pet name, nickname, something else to the method or to the module name, so that we can use that one also. Okay, so here I'm going to use import demo1 as, suppose I have taken I as I. Okay, I is nothing but alias for demo1. So here I can use I dot disk1, I dot disk2. So instead of demo1 I have used I. I is nothing but alias for demo1. Demo1 is nothing but my module name. Alright. So if you remember the syntax, whatever I have said, that is demo1 dot disk1, which is nothing but I dot disk1, which is the module name dot function name or method name. Alright, let's run and see the output. See, the same output we have. Alright, so these are the this is the way we can design the, or we can use the import in a customization method. Okay, we can custom, or we can explicitly write this code for our import. All right, so let's see some inbuilt libraries. Importing inbuilt libraries. Okay, so these are all this is the we have, as you have remember, I have already told you in my previous classes or previous videos that Python is booming around all over the world because of some features, and in those features I have already mentioned that Python is having millions of libraries. Alright, so there are a lot of libraries already been built which we can use in our Python coding, right? So let's see, suppose I'll give one example for, let me import, I'll import math library. Okay, so I need to do some mathematical operations so that I can use math library. All right, so math I have taken here. So now I'll assign a variable a equals to math dot factorial. Okay, suppose I want to do some factorial, so I don't need to create multiple steps for factorial method, or factorial some I need to calculate factorial for some number, so I don't need to create multiple steps. Instead of that, I can use Python library which is nothing but math. Okay, suppose I want to calculate the factorial for 5, then I can print the value of a. All right, next is I can print math dot factorial of, suppose I can take 6. All right, next I can use print math dot pi. So let's see what is the value of pi also, because I have taken math, which is the math library. From math library, whatever the functions we have, I can use. So one of the function I have taken as an example, that is factorial, and also I can use math.pi, so that pi also we can get the answer. So these two function I am using, which is nothing but factorial and pi. Let's see the output. So here you can see the output is 120. 120 is nothing but the factorial of 5. 720 is nothing but the factorial of 6. And pi value, what is the pi value? That is nothing but 3.14, which everyone knows already. Alright, so let's see. We have something else, that is from. Okay, so we can use from also. Let me give you some example using from. So in Python, from is a keyword which is used to import only specific function. Alright, only specific function. Because in our previous example, if you see, I have used math, but I have not mentioned what exactly I need to import from math. Alright, so math also is having lot of functions, and Python is going to check each and every functions. Out of that, I have mentioned here math.factorial and math.py, which means Python will check from math library each and every functions, and out of that we are only using 2 functions. But here in that case, if I am using, or if I am not specifying any kind of functions, that means it will be taking some time, or you can say time consuming, or you can say which will be going to be like memory consumption. So in that case, we can specify what exactly we want to import. Alright, so in that case, we can use from. So before going to from, I'll show you how we can see, like suppose I am taking import math, and if you want to learn what exactly we have in math, so I can take help, and here I can mention math. Okay, so if I'll run it, it will show me whatever the functions are already defined in math library. Okay, so let's see. You can see these are all functions which we can use. Okay, so if I am not specifying anything, Python is going to check each and every functions, and out of that we are only using 2 functions. Okay, so which will be more memory consumption. Alright, so in this case we can use from method, or from concept we can use. Alright, so let's see. Let's use from, and we can use we can see some examples. Let's see from math. Suppose I can take from math import factorial. Okay, I am just importing the factorial directly here from math module. Alright, so let's see what is the factorial of some number. Okay, so let me just print factorial of 4. Let's see the output. See, output is 24. Alright, so now here I'll show you one more thing. Suppose I'm taking from, and here I'll take math, then import star. So instead of specifying anything, I'm just importing star. Star means all. I'm importing everything. Okay, so in that case also I can print my result here. Suppose I can use factorial of 4, or else I can take 6. So you can see the output. This is also going to work. 720 you can see. Alright. Next I'll give you one more example, which is nothing but the time. Okay. So I can use import. Suppose I want to import the time as t. Okay. So here I can use print t dot ASCII time. Okay, I'm just taking ASCII time, t dot local time. Okay, next is t dot time. Okay, so this is going to give me the result as what is today's date, timing, everything. Okay, you can see here. So today is Friday, 26th of December. This is the timing and this is the year also. All right. So this is the way you can use import module and you can play around the import module. Okay. And if you are worried about like what are these functions I have used for the time, you can take a help of help method and you can see what exactly you want and you can get the knowledge and you can use the same function. All right. So I hope this is really helpful for you, and if you feel the same like this video is already making an effect for you, please like, comment, share my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Thank you.